love me that strong. Feels surround around, you're on my mind.
Teka, tanungin natin, bakit maingay kayo? Kilala niyo ba siya? Hindi. Naaliw lang sila na cute siya. How old are you, Bruce?
I am 17 years old.
Oh, you're 17. Are you in college?
Yes.
Where?
In Ateneo de Davao.
Ayun. Wow. Wow. Ba't ka galing Dubai? You were born there?
Hindi po. I was born here, but lumipat po kami agad sa Dubai when I was 4.
Tapos?
Then ever since, doon na po ako lumaki.
Okay, tapos umuwi ka dito for college. What is your course in Ateneo?
Mass comm. I'm studying mass comm.
Okay. Hindi, you're very good looking. May girlfriend ka?
Wala po.
Wala. Sige, Bruce. Magpakitang gilas ka na. Go.
And you came right in time when I needed someone to be there. Suddenly my heart was beating fast. So it's you I've been waiting for so long. So it's you, where were you all along? Bruce, 40 na. Luis Bandano ka na. You will always be with me. We are here, you and I. We belong. And we felt more beautiful as two hands reaching out, filled with so much joy. Felt good inside. There is no denying. In love. Eto, mataas to. So with you, I've been waiting for so long. So with you, where were you all along? Very special moment, you will always be with me. We are you and I, we belong.
Bruce? Ito Bruce. Gusto ko yung self-effacing shyness na parang ikaw yung boy next door na gustong mahalin ng lahat. I like that. But, si Friendship may request kasi may request iyaw kayo ng iyaw. Hindi namin maintindihan kung maganda ba talaga boses niya o cute siya talaga. Ano bang kinanda mong kanta?
Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's as if my heart knows. Ganyan din ako ng kabataan. You made me believe that there's nothing in this world I can be. I never know what you see, but there's something in the way you look at me.
Boss,
Cool. Effortless. Ganda ng boses mo.
you have a connection with the people and hindi nabibili yon, hindi na-training yon. Maswerte ka, Bruce. It seems inborn.
Konti lang kami may ganon. Thank you, Miss Chris.
Ako naman, mag-gym ka. Tapos, ang ganda ng ngipin mo. At saka, Bruce. Yun na. Tignan mo, ang dami mong fan. You got it. It's a yes for me.
It's also a yes for me.